Welcome to Dows and Clear, the video series that teaches you how to douse, how to find hidden blocks to your success, your high energy, your health, your well-being, your wealth, and kick them to the curb. Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Master Dowser and Emotions Whisperer. This video will show you how to have some fun with dowsing by drawing cards for guidance. Now, a lot of us have maybe tarot cards, or you have spiritual cards, and there's spiritual cards for almost every religion. I've seen them online for Hinduism, Buddhism, of course Christianity. There's Jesus cards, Buddha cards, Krishna cards. It's just amazing, and they're so much fun to use, and they're so inspirational, and you really feel like you're not alone anymore. You got these beautiful beings here to give you their messages and guide you. This deck we're going to use today is Doreen Virtue's Ascended Masters deck, which I love. So first thing to do is to douse to make sure you got permission to get a message from the Ascended Masters. And I'm going to ask that, and this is a yes answer when my fingertips touch. After I ask a question and then ask a question and my fingertips go below the other fingertips, that's a no answer. I programmed that in years ago. You can program in whatever method works best for you. And if you need assistance, check out my website, tons of information, and also you can get the first 10 chapters of my Fearless Accurate Dowsing book for free electronically if you sign up for the newsletter. The book itself is on Amazon.com, Fearless Accurate Dowsing. It's got everything I know about dowsing, including how to clear out your fears and your blocks and your polarity reversals and energy toxins, everything that's blocking you and your intuition. You can just douse for anyone, anything accurately, anywhere in the world, like I can do. You can do it too. It's not just a gift for a few people. Everyone's got this gift. We just have different blocks that you can clear and make it happen. You deserve that. So, back to our card deck. So I take the deck of cards, and I got the information that yes, it is permissible for me to douse for one daily card today to guide me from the Ascended Masters. And so I also ask, would it be necessary or beneficial for me to cut the cards before I pick one? Would it be necessary or beneficial in any way for me to shuffle these cards before I pick one? No. Now in the past, I used to just pick them, just pick one randomly, or pick the first one after I shuffled them. There's so many ways to do it. Pick one that's sticking out, or one that feels sort of warm or sticky, or whatever you want. You can do that, and it works pretty accurately. But the thing I love to do is to actually check and find out what number of card from the top of the deck is the most accurate one with the biggest message for me today, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to douse for that. I have permission to do this. I am going to ask, the card on the top of the deck is card number 1, but the card with the message from the Ascended Masters today is card number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's see what card that is. So I'm just going to count down the cards now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, wouldn't you know, the card is the teacher card. So I guess that's what I'm doing today. But I can check with this Ascended Master and find out more about perhaps different ways to help teach other people, or maybe there's a teacher in my life. I can just grab the Ascended Master's booklet, look up the card, find out in depth the message, and then once I find, say this was the card, I could read the message here and douse for each and every sentence and see which ones apply to me, because not all the messages or the instructions for what the card means applies to you for that particular day or that particular message. So you can get crystal clear information on the guidance for today. And it's fun, it helps you practice your dowsing, it opens up your intuition, and it can just bring so many blessings, ever-increasing flow of blessings to your life, and you deserve that. We all deserve that, don't we? Yeah, the world would be a better place if we are all blessing ourselves and blessing each other. So that's today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out my website, emorescue.com, for more information, for free videos, audios, ebooks, all kinds of information. And check out my Amazon bookshelf as well on Amazon.com. I have 8 books that are selling around the world that you might want to buy one for yourself and help yourself. It's all the stuff that helped me, and I'll help my clients worldwide. I want to share it with you. Everyone deserves to know this stuff if they're open-minded enough, and if not, well, better luck next lifetime. Take care. Namaste. Peace out.